Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming access. Sign into the Microsoft account linked to the PC because the recovery key often lives there. Next, check BitLocker status in Settings or Control Panel so you know if a key is needed. If BitLocker is active, sign in as an administrator, then open the BitLocker recovery options. Once done, prepare a secondary device or USB to retrieve or save the key securely. You now find the actual key, go to Account, Microsoft, COM on another device, sign in and open devices, select the affected PC and view the BitLocker recovery key. If the key isn't on your Microsoft account, check any printed notes, USB backups, or your organization's Active Directory or Intune recovery console. Once you locate the key, copy it exactly. If you're locked out, note the recovery ID, provide it to IT for lookup. You finish by entering the recovery key when Windows prompts during reset. Type it exactly and watch for similar characters like 0 and O. After the reset completes, suspend BitLocker briefly and create a fresh recovery key. Save it to your Microsoft account, a USB, or print it. If the key is rejected, double-check the device recovery ID, try any alternate Microsoft accounts you may have used, and contact your administrator if necessary. That usually resolves mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.